Welcome students, good morning. This is my new video of class 6 and your chapter is chapter 10, Internet Services, and this is the last chapter of your portion, and today's topic that is given on your book page number 119, 120, 121, 122, okay. Recalling the Internet. Internet is the largest network of computers that helps to connect millions of computers as well as mobile devices with each other around the world. These days, Internet has been an integral part of our life. It is used by individual businesses, government agencies, private organizations, media, celebrities, leaders, and almost by everyone and everywhere around the world. There are thousands of users of internet, such as accessing informations, exchanging emails, chatting, online shopping, watching movies, and listening to the music, booking tickets, and many more. So what is the internet? Internet is the largest network, biggest network in the world that connects millions of computers all over the world. I think as you know, in that class 5th also you have read about it, okay. तो what is internet? एक कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है जिसमें करोड़ों लाखों कंप्यूटर आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट है और जिससे हम इंफॉर्मेशन या मैसेजेस की शेयरिंग कर सकते हैं. वेरियस सर्विसेज इन दीज डेज वी इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर्स. तो such as services, there are many services that can be used using the internet connection. Some common internet services are discussed here. First is a www. What is that? World Wide Web. That is a W3. Okay, is a system information that connects millions of web documents with other. The web browser available on the www can be accessed anytime and anywhere using a web browser over the internet. The www is the most important service used over the internet. It was invented by an English scientist named Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Okay, so what is www? It is a type of a service through which we can connect the various websites, web pages to the internet. Okay, www वो सर्विस है, वो सुविधा है जिससे हम इंटरनेट से जुड़ सकते हैं, कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. ओके, इंटरनेट अलग चीज़ है, www उसकी एक सर्विस है जिससे हम चीज़ों को कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वेबसाइट्स ओपन करना है, वेब पेज ओपन करना है, देन वी हैव टू एंड वी वांट टू कनेक्ट टू द इंटरनेट, देन वी यूज़ द सर्विस www. सम टर्म्स दैट रिलेटेड टू www इज़ अ website. A website is a collection of related interlinked web pages that connects information available on the internet. It is like a book that comprises of 100 that book, computer book, more 100 pages. So that book is like a website. A website is a collection of interrelated web pages. Okay, and web pages, a web page is a single digital page of a website, just like a page of a book that contains information in the form of text, graphics, videos, sound, links, and other web pages. जो भी इंटरनेट पे हम जो भी पेजेस देखते हैं, दैट पेजेस आर नोन एज अ वेब पेजेस. एंड इसी तरह के कई पेजेस बनाएंगे हम, दैट पेजेस मेक्स अ वेबसाइट. अ वेब ब्राउज़र इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन और प्रोग्राम दैट हेल्प अस टू ओपन and view web pages and websites on our computer. जैसे Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Safari are the some popular web browsers. So web browser is a software application program through which we can connect to the internet, through which we can open the वेबसाइट्स और वेब पेजेस ऑन आवर कंप्यूटर. अगर इंटरनेट है, आपके पास कंप्यूटर है और आप ओपन करना चाहें तो आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए. दैट सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ नोन एज अ वेब ब्राउज़र. जैसे इफ़ यू हैव अ कंप्यूटर एंड यू वांट टू ड्रॉ समथिंग and if you want to type something, then you have a MS Paint or MS Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, then you can paint or draw. So like that, if you have a computer and you want to connect to the internet and you also have an internet connection, then you must have a software application named web browser. कोई ना कोई एक वेब ब्राउज़र होना चाहिए, कोई एक प्रोग्राम होना चाहिए जो आपको इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट करने में हेल्प करे. जैसे बाय गूगल क्रोम, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, सफारी, various others. Okay, URL. Each web document on the www is identified by a unique address called the Uniform Resource Locator. जितने भी वेब पेजेस, जैसे क्लास में सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, सबका नाम अलग अलग होता है. ठीक है, कोई आदित्य है, कोई आदित्य सिंह है, कोई आदित्य मिश्रा है. ओके, इफ आदित्य सिंह है, इफ देयर आर टू आदित्य सिंह, देन वी हैव टू से आदित्य सिंह फर्स्ट एंड आदित्य सिंह सेकेंड. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. ओके, सो मल्टीपल वेब पेजेस हैज़ अ वेरियस एड्रेसेस एंड दीज एड्रेसेस आर यूनिक. जितने भी एड्रेस है, जितने भी वेब पेज बनेंगे, सबका एड्रेस अलग अलग होगा. Hyperlink is a special word or picture that help us to connect one web page to the another web page over the www. A hyperlink word is generally blue in color and has an underline below it. कोई भी वेब पेज खोला आपने देखा होगा, जनरली सारे टेक्स्ट ब्लैक कलर के, कुछ ऐसे टेक्स्ट होते हैं जो आपको ब्लू कलर में दिखेंगे, एंड व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दैट टेक्स्ट देन इट विल बी टेक यू इन टू द अनदर पेज. अगर आप उस पर क्लिक करते हैं तो आप दूसरे पेज पे जाते. दैट मीन्स दैट टेक्स्ट और दैट ग्राफिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू सम अदर वेब पेज. दैट इज नोन एज अ हाइपरलिंक. सर्च इंजन is a web page that help us to search for websites or web pages containing the required information on the www by using a search engine. जैसे गूगल है, बिंग, याहू, ask.com are some popular search engines. Email, more popularly known as email, is a method of exchanging digital messages between two or more computers over the internet or some other communication networks, like a private network of a company between two of its branches in a city. If you want to send a message in written, then you use the internet, electronic mail, okay, that is known as a email. Okay, so instant messaging, we have to use the email, and if you have a email, then you also have a email ID and email address, and the receiver is also have a email address. You have to send the email to from sender to the receiver. So email has a preferred mode of communication these days for following reasons. Message reaches to the recipient almost instantly within a second. File containing audio, video, images, any type of attachment you have to send through email. The cost of communication is negligible through the system. आप बैठे बैठे आप उसको भेज दीजिए, कोई कॉस्ट नहीं लगनी है. तो many websites such as Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo Mail .com provide email service to the users. Okay, various email service providers are there. What are the email operations? So composing and sending emails, attaching a file, reading the emails, forwarding the emails, replying to the emails, and deleting an email. If you want to send any email, then you have to compose. If you want to attach any file, then you have to attach the file, okay, and send that email. Okay, if any email came and you want to read, then read that file, and same email you want to forward to anyone, then you have to forward that email. And if you want to reply any particular email, किसी particular email का आप जवाब देना चाहते हैं, then you have to reply an email. And if you want to delete, then you have to click on that delete button, then the email will be deleted. E-commerce, so that I think, as you know, that Flipkart, Amazon's, Snapdeal, various types of websites are there. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, through which simply means that we can sell and purchase of goods and various types of items through the internet and at home. Sitting at home, you can order anything from Amazon, Flipkart, any commercial websites, and that the goods and items are comfort of their own homes. Okay, and websites like OLX also helps to sell and purchase the goods. Chatting, a chat is a real-time text-based conversation between two or more individuals over a network. There are a number of chat applications available on the internet where we can get ourselves registered and start an online chat with the registered users. तो चैटिंग आप कर सकते हैं, इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग है, रियल टाइम मैसेजिंग है ऑनलाइन, जैसे व्हाट्सएप है, व्हाट्सएप मैसेंजर से आप चैटिंग कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक मैसेंजर से भी आप चैटिंग कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल्सो अवेयर अबाउट दिट. ओके, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग इज अ लाइव कॉन्फ्रेंस बिटवीन टू और मोर पीपल. हियर पीपल डू नॉट मीट फिजिकली बट electronically by using their computers, video cameras, and the internet. Video conferencing is an extremely useful method of communication because it saves people the time and expense of travel and can often accomplish many of the things that a physical meeting can. G Suite, Juhu Meeting, Skype, and Livestorm are the free video conferencing software, and I think Zoom also is that. Google Meet is also type of a video conferencing, okay, through which you can, in these days, in that pandemic situation when school is not open, then the teachers are teaching through that video conferencing. okay, आपको वीडियो के ज़रिए Zoom है, Google Meet है, या वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का भी है, या फिर यहाँ पे G Suite है, Zuhu मीटिंग है, इन सब से हम लोग वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, यानी जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, हम दूर बैठे ही फिजिकली अटैच नहीं होंगे, लेकिन हम दूर बैठे ही इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एक दूसरे से जुड़ सकते हैं. E-banking, electronic banking or e-banking has now become a popular way to perform bank transactions using the internet. Using e-banking, one can check the amount, make FD, transfer the money, apply the loans, and so on. This transaction can be done from any part. तो आप e-banking का भी आजकल एप्लीकेशन है मोबाइल पे, वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस है, UPI ID है, भारत Bharat Pay hai, Bheem app hai, various types of apps are there through which we can use the e-banking. E-government is an abbreviation for electronic government. E-government is general terms describing the use of various technology to make the operations of the government possible, and about the information and service provided by a government. Some of its features are payment of telephones, electricity bills online, the availability of government forms like passport forms, DL forms, okay, submission of forms and inquiry for passports and driving license, payment of income tax online land records. Okay, so that is the e-government services through which we can check the government policies, and any government bill if you want to pay, then you can easily pay through this. Okay, submission of forms, any inquiry about DL, about passport, then you can easily get from e-government websites. Social networking, in this time that is a very popular social networking. Many of the world wide web allows us to connect with the other internet users, from the friendships with them and share messages, documents, photos, videos and things of common interest. Such websites are called social networking websites. That is a Facebook, Twitter, Hi5, LinkedIn, examples of some popular social networking websites. So some advantages and disadvantages of social networking. Advantages: social networking sites offers many advantages to users. The prime advantage is that we can stay in connect with our friends and relatives and share precious moment of our life and experiences with them. Disadvantage: despite their many advantages, social networking sites also have raised behavioral and security concern. तो आप एडवांटेज क्या, आप बैठे बैठे अपने कोई भी पुराने रिलेटिव है, कोई पुराना फ्रेंड है, आप उसको सर्च करके आप उससे जुड़ सकते हैं, बातचीत कर सकते हैं. डिसएडवांटेजेस यही है कि अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल अपनी चीज़ों को शेयर करें तो वो सब चीज़ें हमारी ऑनलाइन हो सकती हैं और उन सब चीज़ों से हमें फिर दिक्कत हो सकती है. तो फेसबुक, that is a Mark Zuckerberg developed that Facebook in 2004. That is a very popular in these days. Okay, Facebook. And if you want to open an account on Facebook, then you need to be at least 13 years old to be member of a Facebook community. Okay, while creating a Facebook page, one should avoid to post his or real photographs, family photographs and personal details on the Facebook. And one is a Twitter. Twitter is also a type of a social networking website. Twitter is also a social networking site where people communicate in short message called tweets. Tweets can be up of 140 character long and can be include links to relevant websites. Twitter's users follow other users. If we follow someone, we can see their tweets in our Twitter's timeline. We can choose to follow people and organization that we prefer. We can create our own tweets and we can retweet information that has been tweeted by the others. Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey, Nah Glass, Biz Stone and Evan Williams in 2006. That four persons make a Twitter in 2006. So this is also a social networking websites. Okay, students. So that is my explanation for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.